Uh, so I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 8 in the morning. Uh, so yesterday I was quite in a hangover. At the funeral, after the funeral, we started drinking. That's the thing. So yes, I want to give these exact details now. I will, wanted to come out of this hangover, then I wanted to give this. So when I went to what do you call it, at my brother's funeral, I was late. They burned him before I went there. Everyone had this complaint that you are always late. So I started drinking. I was not gonna drink. I started drinking. So I was already disturbed a lot, which I had no intention to pick a fight with anyone. I had no intention. I was too disturbed. And after that, I went to the west. Uh, no, there was a time I did in east, drinking and all. So I went to the west. West, what happened? I have seen people were purposely picking a fight with me. I have seen this. As per I see, in 2023, even if I stayed quiet, what do you call it? The suspects just walked away. I thought of like I don't want this time. So I went there. First I didn't react it. There was this tell over there that इनके नंगे वीडियोस है, इनके दो प्रॉपर्टी पे हाथ मारे और प्रॉपर्टी पे हाथ मारेंगे. हाँ? तो I didn't react on this. Hmm? So I was speaking with a guy, and a guy who was standing on the right of me, he started picking a fight. Huh? So what do you call it? I did what was supposed to be done, and I left that place. Getting this right. So those people were trying to pick a fight, and I went into the east. My moped, thrice I fell down. Not once, thrice. The moment I used to push in the brakes, the moped used to fall down. So my sisters, no, my brothers, not brothers, my friend's sister took the moped keys from me. She said, you are not driving, you are not riding moped. So my parents came there. My parents brought me here, and my parents said, there is no such thing. Who will tell these nudes? Who will there? So they were trying to make everyone believe. My parents believe that it's not a sextortion game. It's not a nudity game. It's never been that. And you know what the defamation is? I might be using a laptop, they might be capturing me, and they might be watching me jerk off, watching a pornography. Okay? So that's the matter. And they say it's not a nudity and hidden bugs and all this shit. So I gotta desperately prove that the one who gave information to my parents is a wrong information. I didn't pick a fight. I only reacted, did what was supposed to be done. I only reacted. I didn't pick a fight. I, I will say 1,000 times. I didn't pick a fight. I was already disturbed. Why would I do that? I had no intentions of fighting with anyone. Come on, I am already injured. Huh? Over that I am fucking drunk. And I went on a funeral. And you really think I'm gonna pick a fight? And over that I reached there late. I had no intentions of fighting. Huh? I only reacted. I thought of like, if they want to pick a fight so badly, Let's react then. I reacted and I made a move from there. Okay. So I wanted to prove the one who gave my parents the information about that it's not about sextortion, it's not about nudes. I got to prove them real bad, prove it real bad that it's all about nudes and snatching. It's all about sextortion. So I hit the roads of Bombay, went there back, went at the prostitution racket where the prostitution is held in Bandra. Andheri, I reached there late, but I went there. It's not that I didn't go there. So when I went to the Bandra, what do you call it? The method of scammers is the method of scammers is there are hidden bugs planted me going before they. A clone is recording me near those hidden cameras. Getting this right? In that prostitution racket, near that prostitution racket. And after that, they got to do GPS spoof. Getting this right? So that's the game is. Hidden bugs are planted there, and that nudity is been recorded in the clone phones, but it will be always a dark mode. What do you call it? Night mode. My phone don't film night mode. It is hidden bugs then. Okay. So that's the game. So I reached somewhere in Andheri late. I couldn't say, what do you call it? I couldn't reach at time. Prostitutes were gone. So I came back. The one who does this spreads, what do you call it? The defamation is set. Huh? But I already gave the record, gave the what do you call the suspect's name that these guys are doing this extortion, and they deny, and at the same night they make sex videos. At the same night they make sex videos. So why do they take my bait so easily? Look, I don't. I'll tell you what the real matter is. I don't understand tech, but I understand the crime very nicely. After all, I am the guy who wrote the content streets. English, so the hidden bugs, clone phones, nudes, because the same nudes are made inside my house of my parents and my siblings by those same suspects. So I got them out first, I got their name out and their activity as well at night. People, what do you call it? Wherever the nudes are, people might go to police station. Yes, he's telling the truth. With those nudes, people might go to the police station now. Yes, he got the racket with the suspects' names. So, look, I did what was supposed to be done. If I would have come back here, I would have, what do you call it? My father brought me here. I would have not gone back They would have said they never spoke about the nudes. I will be in trouble. They would have said, no, he is making things up. Everyone would have said that I am making things up. But did they do it at that night? They did it, right? So where is the lie in my thing? Where did I lie? Where did I lie? I didn't lie. They were doing the nudes thing. The thing which was happening is, if someone don't speaks with me directly, why would I react? I was like, let it be, don't react. Huh? Then when I was speaking with someone, then a fellow started picking a fight with me. So what I am supposed to do? Like 2023, I should stay put. I did the right thing, right? Because I came to know that if I stay quiet, they are, what do you call it? They are the mafia then. They are the, this thing. So I thought of like, let's give a tiny wave. So I didn't lie. And they are the they did speak about nudes and they did speak about snatching stuff. The same way the LAN server, the laptop computer, what they were doing, and the files, drives, animated documents. So that's the thing. And the one who followed me is gone for murder attempt as well. That's the guy who did this. Smashed my face. You're fucking so damn jealous of me, Re Baba. What can be done? Get in line. You're one of the West now. The one who is jealous of me so badly. You're one of them. I come in the creams, the east. So yeah. So, and they wanna make sure that people hate me now. They kinda, come on, I don't wanna say. See for yourself now, Papa. While I was in east, what was happening.